Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best Cars lunchbox on the market, the Disney Cars Lightning McQueen Boys Soft Insulated School Lunchbox. If your little one is a fan of the Disney Cars franchise, this lunchbox is going to make lunchtime a whole lot more exciting. First off, this lunchbox is a Yankee Toy Box exclusive, crafted to combine both fun and function. It features the iconic Lightning McQueen and his friends, including Tow Mater, Luigi, Sally, Guido, and Doc Hudson, all brightly displayed on the bag's exterior. The vibrant graphics instantly catch the eye and make it a perfect accessory for any race car enthusiast. When it comes to size, this lunchbox measures roughly 9 inches long, 8 inches wide, and 3 inches tall. This compact design is lightweight, making it easy for kids to carry around without any hassle. Despite its manageable size, it offers generous storage space. The main compartment is spacious enough to hold sandwiches, drinks, snacks, and more, giving plenty of room for a well-rounded lunch. Durability is a key aspect here. The lunchbox is made from quality nylon, reinforced for added strength, and stitched with durable nylon thread. The side mesh pocket is constructed with athletic mesh that holds water bottles securely, while the padded handle on top adds comfort for carrying. This design ensures the lunchbox can withstand the rough and tumble of everyday school life. One of the standout features of this lunchbox is its insulation. It is well insulated to keep food cold and fresh throughout the school day. Also, it is food safe and completely PVC-free, which means it's a safer option for your child's dietary needs. Parents can feel confident packing cold lunches without worrying about leaks or temperature loss. Functionality extends beyond just storage and insulation. This lunchbox has a large main zipped compartment for easy access and a small front zippered pocket perfect for extra snacks or utensils. The zipper closures are sturdy and easy for little hands to manage. Cleaning is straightforward too, as the bag is recommended for hand washing only, helping it last longer with proper care. This lunchbox also scores high on versatility. It's not just for school. It's great for day trips, camp, beach outings, or travel. Whether your child is heading to class or an adventure, this bag adds a touch of fun and practicality. In terms of gifting, this Disney Cars lunchbox is an excellent choice. It makes a fantastic back-to-school present, a birthday surprise, or a Christmas gift for any young Cars fan. It combines affordability with quality, character appeal, and usability, ticking all the boxes for a thoughtful and useful gift. Overall, the Disney Cars Lightning McQueen Boys Soft Insulated School Lunchbox offers an excellent balance of style, durability, and practicality. It's designed to keep kids happy with their favorite characters while giving parents peace of mind with its reliable insulation and sturdy construction. That's it for today's review from Product Critique. If you're looking for a lunchbox that stands out with character and quality, this is the one to consider. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Thanks for watching.